Best 7 vegetables for diabetic patients. Did you know that the right vegetables can be a powerful tool for managing diabetes? Not all vegetables have the same effect on blood sugar, and some are much better at keeping glucose levels stable while boosting overall health. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring 7 of the best vegetables for diabetic patients. Nutrient-rich choices that can help you maintain balanced blood sugar and improve your well-being. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to add to your diet and how to prepare them in delicious diabetes-friendly ways. So stick around, because this information can truly transform your health. 1. Spinach. The nutrient powerhouse spinach is a superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of its biggest benefits for diabetics is that it's extremely low in carbs and high in fiber. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Spinach is also loaded with magnesium, which plays a crucial role in insulin regulation. Studies show that people with diabetes often have lower magnesium levels, so adding more magnesium-rich foods, like spinach, can be beneficial. How to enjoy it? Add fresh spinach to smoothies for a nutrient boost. Use it in salads with lean proteins like grilled chicken. Lightly sauté with garlic and olive oil for a quick and delicious side dish. 2. Broccoli. The blood sugar stabilizer. Broccoli is one of the best vegetables for controlling blood sugar. It contains a special compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. Not only that, but broccoli is also high in fiber, keeping you full for longer and preventing overeating. Best ways to eat broccoli: steam or roast it with olive oil for a delicious side dish. Add it to stir-fries for a nutrient-packed meal. Blend it into soups for a creamy texture without extra carbs. 3. Carrots. The sweet but safe option. Many people worry that carrots are too sweet for diabetics, but in reality they have a low glycemic index and do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Carrots are high in fiber and vitamin A, which support eye health, a major concern for diabetics who are at higher risk for vision problems. How to enjoy carrots? Eat them raw as a crunchy snack. Grate them into salads for a natural sweetness. Add them to soups and stews for extra flavor and nutrition. 4. Bell peppers. The colorful antioxidant boost bell peppers, especially the red and yellow ones, are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, a key factor in diabetes management. They are also low in carbs but high in fiber, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Ways to eat bell peppers: slice them into sticks and dip in hummus. Add them to salads for a pop of color and crunch. Stuff them with lean protein like turkey or tofu for a satisfying meal. 5. Cabbage. The gut-friendly choice. Cabbage is an underrated superfood for diabetics. It is extremely low in calories and carbohydrates, making it an ideal choice for blood sugar control. One of the best things about cabbage is that it supports gut health, which plays a crucial role in metabolism and blood sugar balance. How to use cabbage in your diet? Make a fresh cabbage slaw with a light vinaigrette. Add shredded cabbage to stir-fries for extra crunch. Use cabbage leaves as a low-carb alternative to tortillas or wraps. 6. Cauliflower. The low-carb substitute. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can replace high-carb foods like rice, potatoes, and even pizza crust. It is rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Best ways to eat cauliflower: make cauliflower rice as a low-carb substitute. Roast cauliflower with spices for a flavorful side dish. Blend it into soups for a creamy texture without adding cream. 7. Green beans. The blood sugar balancer. Green beans are an excellent source of fiber and plant-based protein, which help regulate blood sugar levels. They also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support overall health. How to enjoy green beans? Sauté with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious dish. Steam and toss with lemon juice for a refreshing side. Add to stir-fries for extra crunch and nutrients. Final thoughts: including these 7 powerful vegetables in your diet can make a huge difference in your diabetes management. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, all of which help stabilize blood sugar and promote better health. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.